As I mentioned in the video about installing Neovim nightly with Mise, I've been working with containers a lot lately. And I ran into a little problem regarding copying to clipboard in combination with the SSH connections, having a remote Neovim instance, and running a local tmux session. So when you're on a remote server, you can actually use OSC52 to copy to your clipboard. OSC52 is an escape sequence that many terminals support. It lets you copy stuff from remote servers to your local clipboard. So Westterm, Ghosty, Alacrity, and a bunch of other terminals support that. Neovim also has support for OSC52 since version 0.10. But there's a problem in the combination when you have tmux running in a local session and you connect within this session to a remote server. Then Neovim actually can't detect that you're running a tmux session because the tmux environment variable is not set. So let me actually show you the problem first. So I'm going to SSH into this container here. And as you probably can tell, we've got a window name here and a session name here. And this is actually a tmux session we are in. And this was already running on my local machine here. I just connected within this tmux session to the server. So that's also why if we do a echo tmux here, there's nothing set here. Let me just disconnect again to show you that actually we have the variable set on the local machine. So let's actually reconnect to the container here and start up Neovim again. And let's just get some text here. Let's just say hello from the other side or something like that. Usually I say something like subscribe to my channel, join the membership options, yada, yada, yada. But maybe you will like the video anyways. So let's get out of insert mode here again. I hit enter. I don't know why. I actually wanted to show you if I now want to copy to the clipboard here, to the system clipboard, that's actually the plus or the asterisk register, right? So I'm going to prefix this with the register and asterisk, and then I'm just going to yank the complete line here with double Y. Then you see here, it says clipboard, no provider, try check health or H clipboard. And let's go to the help section for clipboard. And then you might see that here's something about OSC52. You can read something here about that. And then bundles a clipboard provider that allows copying the system clipboard using OSC52, which is actually great. Operating system command control sequence. So that's what it stands for. And there's also something about tmux inhibiting automatic OSC52 detection here. So what we actually can do here is go into a config file or go somewhere into your configuration file. I've got it in my options here. And I just commented this because I wanted to show you that this actually didn't work when we didn't have to fix here. Let's write and quit here. Maybe I should have just sourced the file. That would have been easier, but let's quit the complete Neovim instance here and open it up again and see if we can do it now. So dust yourself off and try again, right? And try again. So let's do the clipboard selection here again and yank the line. And now, or you can't see that it actually worked, but you see there's no error message here down on the bottom. So to actually show you, let's open up my favorite text editor, text edit here, create a new document. I'm going to use my mouse here. And now I'm just going to paste from my system clipboard with command V. And you see, dust yourself off and try again. Oh, I actually can't make this bigger. I don't know the shortcuts for that, but I will zoom in here. So you see, this actually worked. I just copied this text here using OSC52. Let's go back to the setting we actually used. And I will put a link to this somewhere. I didn't write it myself. I had some help from a little magic AI thingy here that debugged the issue with me. But this worked quite nicely. So thanks for that. So I'll link a snippet with this configuration stuff in the description below. So I hope you liked this video. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, join one of the membership options. And if you want to know more about how to install Neovim nightly with Mise, then click this video somewhere over here. Thanks for watching, see you around, and take care.